Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Murli Chand from India. I am ENT surgeon. My subspecialty is skull-base surgery. So, I have done several cases of Mucor cases, that is black fungus cases, which extended from nose to brain and so many extensions. So, I regularly do these skull-base surgeries. I am allopathic surgeon. Even though I am allopathic surgeon, now I am going to explain Ayurvedic way of treatment. See, allopathy says microorganisms are the main cause of any infection. For example, bacteria, viruses, fungus, or different strains of viruses, alpha, beta, gamma, kappa, whatever it may be, you name in different ways. But Ayurveda doesn't give much importance to these bhutas. Bhutas in Ayurveda they call as microorganisms. Ayurveda doesn't give much importance to the bhutas, microorganisms. It says host is most important than the bhutas. Host, that means human body. Host, whatever it may be, human body, animal, or whatever it may be, host. So, how to purify this host is most important in infections management. So, for that, what Ayurveda says is, in Dravya Guna Vignan, that is Ayurvedic pharmacology, Dravya means drugs, Guna means properties, Vignan means science. So Dravya Guna Vignan, Ayurvedic pharmacology, there are almost 25 to 30 core principles which purifies the body. That means purifies the host. For example, Lankanam, Svedanam, Lankanam, Pachanam, Deepanam, Anulomanam, Rukshanam, Lekanam, Vedanam, Snigdam. There are several principles are there. So, in Janapadodvamsa, that means Janapada means population, Dvamsa means destruction, that is epidemic chapter and pandemic chapter, and Jwara chapter, fever chapter, mainly 4 or 5 principles, these core principles are enough to manage a Jwara, that means a fever. So, for that, Svedanam, Lankanam, Deepanam, Pachanam, Anulomanam, Rokshanam. These 6 principles, 5 to 6 principles are more than enough to control this. For that, Ayurvedic pharmacology classified the whole drugs based on these principles. It classified the single drugs, it classified the compound drugs. The compound drugs they call it as yogas. There is a book called Sahasra Yoga, that means 1000 yogas, 1000 drugs which has combination of drugs. That means, suppose if I take a Shaddharanam, there are 4 or 5 drugs in it. This Shaddharana Churnam works on the principle called Deepanam, Pachanam, Anulomanam, Rokshanam. 4 principles. Like that, it classifies each and every drug based on the principle. Suppose if I take Guduchi, that is Gila in Hindi and Tippatiga in Telugu, Tinospora cardifolia is the scientific name, it works on the principle called Deepanam and Pachanam. So like that, the whole drugs, Ayurveda drugs are classified based on the principles. In this case, the fever and the Janapadodvamsa epidemics has to be managed based on Svedanam, Lankanam, Pachanam, Anulomanam, Rokshanam. That's it. Svedanam means sweating. For that, what Ayurveda says is you have to drink hot water. So suppose if you take hot water, immediately you get sweating. So Svedanam. So it is letting out the toxins through the sweat, through the urine, through the stool. So Svedanam. Next is Lankanam. Lankanam Parama Aushadam. That means Lankanam means semi-fasting. This Lankanam is the highest. Parama means highest. Aushadam means drug. It is the highest drug. So we have to ask the patient to take Kattu Pongali. Kattu Pongali means take the green gram and take paddy and fry it and grind it. And with that you make gruel. So you take this 3 times a day, only this Kattu Pongali. So you have to take this gruel 3 times a day for minimum 3 to 5 days. So your metabolism is decreased, so that you won't get cytokine storm in the second week. Suppose by the time you get premonitory symptoms like weakness, slight fever, when you start from that day itself, you won't develop cytokine storm in the second week. So that is this core reason behind it to take Lankanam. Next is Pachanam. Pachanam means toxins has to be let out to the body. For that, what they say is the number one Pachana drug is Chitramula. For that, what we are getting in the household is Sunti. Dried ginger is the number one Pachana drug which is commonly available in our household. Sunti and Dhaniyalu, that means coriander seeds. So you grind fresh dried ginger and coriander seeds, and you take 2 spoons of these dried ginger and coriander seeds, add in 1 liter of hot water and keep it in flask, and take that hot water, like it should be tea hot, very hot, or bearable hot. So you take this 1 glass of hot water which is mixed with 1 spoon of coriander seeds and 1 spoon of Sunti Dhaniyalu, Sunti, so dried ginger, and take that every 1 hour, so that the toxins will be let out through the sweat, urine and stool. So it is called Pachana. And next is Deepanam. Deepanam, we will do it with the hot water. The hot water has Deepana properties. And we give the drug called Shadharanam DS. I learned all these skills from my guru, Professor Nageswara Rao, MD Kaya Chikitsa Internal Medicine. So he advised to give Shadharanam DS, Shadharanam Double Strength, AVN company. So it works based on the principle called Deepanam, Pachanam, Anulomanam and Rukshanam. So Anulomanam means what? Anulomanam means it's a redirection of accumulated vata into the gut. It's a redirection. So Anulomanam. And next is the Rukshanam. Rukshanam means the dryness, like atropine-like effect. Each and every cell is dried so that the microorganism will not survive. So it is called Rukshanam. So first is hot water. Next is Lankanam, Kattu Pongali, and Pachanam by dried ginger and coriander seeds powder. So to combine hot water and coriander seeds and dried ginger, we are asking the patient to take, we are advising the patient to take 2 spoons of dried ginger and 2 spoons of coriander seeds to 1 liter of hot water and keep it in flask and take every 1 hour. And for the breakfast and meals and dinner, 3 times a day, take very small amount, 1/3 of the stomach. See, this is the stomach. See, this is the stomach. So take 1/3 of the stomach with small amount of this Kattu Pongali, which is made with green gram and paddy rice. Okay. The next is Bilvadi Gutika. Bilvadi Gutika is a Vishahara in Ayurveda. That means it is used for snake poison. So Vishahara. Next is Amrutottara Kashayam tablets. That is also available in AVN company. Amrutottara Kashayam, which eliminates the Sama Kapha, Sama Pitta. So it eliminates the Pitta and Kapha, whereas Shadharan DS eliminates the Sama Vata. So all the 3, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, are eliminated with the Shadharan DS and Amrutottara Kashayam tablets. Next is the number one very commonly available Jwarahara, that means a fever drug in Ayurveda, is Mahasudarsana Ghanavati. It's like paracetamol in Ayurveda, very commonly available and very well-known drug, Mahasudarsana Ghanavati. So the four drugs for addressing this cytokine storm and to reduce the inflammatory markers and the fever are 1. Shadharanam DS, 2. Amrutotra Kashayam tablets, 3. Vilvadi Gutika, 4. Mahasudarsana Ghanavati. Next thing is, when this is totally lodged here, virus is lodged here, in lung. So for that, two Rasaushadhas, my professor is recommending, my guru. These two are Samira Pannagarasa and Swarna Samira Pannagarasa when the desaturation is more, and Gorochinadivati, the second tablet. So these two drugs we are addressing for the lung lesions. It has arsenic, sulfur and mercury. So two Rasaushadhas, all the 6 has to be given to each and every patient. If any complications or any adverse effects are coming, we have to consult Ayurveda specialist. I am basically ENT surgeon, allopathic ENT surgeon. But I learned all these skills from Professor Nageswara Rao, Ayurveda professor in internal medicine. It is called in Ayurveda as Kaya Chikitsa. So my professor has given the same treatment to several patients, and almost all are cured. Even I have given to my patients and my relatives, and it is really working. Even it is working in desaturation patients also, just with the room air. So even in desaturated patients also it is working. Those patients who has decreased oxygen also, like 88, 85, and my professor even further down, it is working. We can add oxygen supplementation also, no problem. Even in rural areas where it is not available oxygen cylinders, even then it is working. So Ayurveda is really, really working. All these drugs are there in Ayush website. There is 46 pages document is there in the Ayush website. But still, even today, no research has done on that perspective, on that line. But those drugs are really working. We have to do extensive, large clinical trial. It is the dire need. We are going to land up in third wave. And most of the experts are saying it is going to affect children also. So we have to experiment immediately, clinical research, and we have to utilize under the experts, under the pediatricians, how far we can use for children also. Because I have done extensively myocard black fungus cases. It is total destruction. Due to these high steroids, this immunity is such a low that these myocard extending into the cranium, brain. So total destruction. I removed eyes, nose, maxillas. It's total destruction. So many people died. No, this is not the way. So even though I am an allopathic surgeon, I request Modi sir, PM Modi sir, please do Ayurvedic research immediately. It is a dire need. Ayurveda under experts. I am 100%. I am very positive that this will work out. And my cell number is 7989222054. Another cell number is 9949677605. Again I am repeating 7989222054. 9949677605. For Telugu people, I am telling my number in Telugu also. 7989222054. అది ఒకటో నెంబర్, మొదటి నెంబరు. రెండో నెంబరు 994946770605. సో ఇంగ్లీష్లో కూడా లాస్ట్కి చెప్తున్నాను. 7989222054 is the first number, and the second number is 9949677605. My WhatsApp number is 7989222054. You can contact me in emergency even at midnight also. So my WhatsApp number is 7989222054. I will explain further, and next videos myself and my guru going to come live. So the final drugs we selected from 46 pages of Ayush Department, Indian Ministry, Ayurveda Ministry, Ayush Ministry. 6 drugs are: one is Shadharanam DS, double strength avian company. 2 is Amrutotra Kashayam tablets. 3rd is Vilvadi Gutika. 4th is Mahasudarshana Ghanavati. And the 5th one is Samira Pannagarasa or Swarna Samira Pannagarasa for desaturated patients. The 6th one is Gorochinadivati. Yes, that's it. These 6 drugs are more than enough to even control the desaturated patients also. Thank you. If any queries, please contact me. Thank you.